Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So right now, I'm showing you guys some of the stencils from Wet n Wild. They have ones that are like unicorn, and zombie, and jester, which could be, you could consider that like a Joker. Or they also have some ones that are like autumn themed and things like that. So they have really fun stuff that you can use as stencils. So right now I'm motioning that I'm mixing my foundation and my highlighter together. I'm using the e.l.f. liquid highlighter and my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm going to put that all over the face. Basically adding the highlighter to the foundation makes it more glowy and dewy, which I figured would be good with the looks that I'm going to be showing you guys today. So basically I'm putting my hair back so that I'm able to blend out my foundation better and you can see my face for what I'm about to do next, which, ew, I know this looks gross, but it's just tights or leggings, or they're the ones that have the holes in them, or some people call them pantyhose, and they're called fishnet tights. So basically, I'm going to put those over my head, and I know that sounds crazy, but I'm going to be doing a mermaid look. So to get the scales of the mermaid, you can use a fishnet. You can use the fishnet tights to make it look like you have scales, to either do like a fish look or a mermaid look, whichever one you're trying to go for. But basically, I'm going to go for like a rainbow mermaid. So I'm going to take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics and use all the random colors in it. Like I'm going to use blue, purple, pink, red, orange, green. Basically every color of the rainbow for the most part, and just try to mix those around and make it look all cute. And once you pull it off your head, it'll actually look like scales, because the lines where there's not the makeup that you just put on will have like the scales per se. So basically you just want to mix the colors. I mean, if you just wanted to use one color, that's fine, but here's a big reveal. Boom, now I look like I have mermaid scales. So of course you could go all the way down the face if you'd like, but for me I just did the forehead and a little bit down by your temples. So here's a little closer look. This is a pretty easy DIY look if you just wanted to hurry up and do it. Now I'm going to do glitter tears. Very exciting. So I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to be using NYX glitters and ipsy glitters, and just some glitters that I bought that are safe for your eyes from the store. So right now I'm basically going to use the NYX glitter glue and draw out the tears. Basically, I'm going to make it dark enough to where you can actually see where the tears are supposed to go, so that I'll actually know where to put the glitter. So with glitter on your face or on your eyes, you want to make sure that it's cosmetic safe. You want to make sure that it's safe to put on your eyes or on your face. You don't just want to use craft glitters that you'd use like for like crafting projects. So just be really safe with that. So basically, I'm making the glitter primer, or glitter glue, whatever you want to say, dark enough to where I can see it and thick enough to where the glitter will stick to it. And now I'm just taking the more silvery colored glitter first. Then I'm going to use the like lighter purple glitter next. I'm going to try to pretend like I'm crying now because it's supposed to be tears. And now I'm going to go in with the darker pink glitter just to basically emphasize it and make it more three-dimensional so that you can actually see the tears, just to make it a little more darker. You can use whatever colors you want. You can use one color, and you could do both your eyes, but I'm only going to do one. And you can also do these looks separate, so you don't have to do the mermaid on your head and the glitter tears on the same Halloween look. I just wanted to show you guys both. So you guys can do whatever you want, of course. So you could do glitter tears on both your eyes, or just leave it on one, like I said, or you can do the mermaid and the glitter tears separate or together. But this is the outfit that I wore. I have mermaid pants that like look like a mermaid's tail, like it's like scales. So this is my next one. Hi sisters. So that's what I just said. This one is actually a joke, but I just thought it'd be fun to do it anyway. It is Flashback Mary. So James Charles is a makeup influencer on YouTube. His whole face flashing back. So like if you use like white translucent powder, then it can cause you to have flashbacks. So when you take a flash photography picture, it can make your face look white. So that happened with a picture with one of his fans, and he looked like super white, and everybody just basically came up with the Flashback Mary thing. So I basically just put a regular foundation and pure white powder to make my face look pure white, and wore some sunglasses and hat just like he did. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below. I hope this was a fun video for you, and you would be able to actually use this for whenever you do your Halloween looks. Check the description box out for more information about the video, and for my social medias, they're at GlamGirl Gray. See you next time.